Hi, this is Shelley Kraft, and welcome to SNNLive. We're at the Growth Capital Expo 2014 conference here in Las Vegas. I'm with Richard Schumacher of Pressure BioSciences, Inc., symbol, publicly traded company, PBIO, Paul, Boy, Ida, Oscar. Welcome to SNNLive.
Well, thanks for having me. Really appreciate it.
Let's get right into it. Tell us what's going on. You've been here. Let me welcome you back. Tell us what the update is.
Oh, it's awesome.
Well, first of all, tell us what PBIO does, and then we'll go into the update.
Pressure BioSciences has 24 patents that all revolve around a platform technology called pressure cycling technology. In its simplest form, we use pulses of pressure to control how molecules work. We think there's 500,000 researchers around the world and 80,000 labs that have to control their molecules before they study them, and they're controlling them with heat, with cold, with chemicals. We bring pressure to bear on top of it. We can use everything they're using now. We add another dimension called pressure. Everything has a pressure point in nature, so we can modify and change everything by using pressure. So it really gives the researcher another ability to control their research.
Okay, now you give me your update.
All right. Very excited about what's going on. We gave guidance to the market last November that we felt we were going to end the year strong. We released our numbers about 3 weeks ago. We had record 2013. Our sales were up 25%. We had a record third quarter. We had a record fourth quarter. We also gave guidance that we were going to release a brand new instrument, a wonderful instrument that's going to get us into the food area to start looking at pathogens that contaminate food and get people sick. You need to have an instrument that can go to very, very high pressures. We released that instrument about 2 weeks ago, on schedule.
All right, that's big.
That is very big.
Which market do you serve? Let's get into some of your clients and customers.
We serve the research market, which is big, but we're serving primarily researchers that are studying human, animal, plant diseases, and they're looking for biomarkers. They're looking for something in that animal, that plant, in that cell that can give them an idea of what disease they may have and how to cure and how to control that disease. Biomarkers of disease. We've got a number. We've got over 150 customers now, Shelley. We have a wonderful list of a who's who customers, and they are publishing. There's over 110 papers that say when a cell is broken up by using pulses of pressure, like squeezing a sponge. Instead of banging the sponge that other people do to get things out, we squeeze it with pulses of pressure. We have 110 papers on our website that say by squeezing that cell, we get proteins and lipids that are coming out that they've never seen come out before. Very exciting.
So basically what you're striving to do is to become the standard in the industry. Am I correct?
You are absolutely correct. We feel that our way of preparing a sample, breaking up a cell, releasing all those thousands of proteins and those hundreds of lipids, has to be done in a more controlled fashion than we're doing in the past few decades even. And we have a method that's highly reproducible, that has been shown to work by some of the top researchers in the country and the world, and the papers are on our website. So we're very excited that we have that support.
What, in your opinion, would give you, unless you've already achieved it, enough critical mass to label you as the standard?
Yeah, that's a great question, Shelley. A lot of people ask if the technology is so good, why isn't it being used?
It's not if anymore.
No, they say if the technology is so good, why isn't everybody using it? That's why they say if. And there's an answer to that. The answer is that our technology is very manual driven. You have to do your samples one at a time. The downstream people that are wanting to use it, they're running hundreds of samples a week, maybe thousands of samples a week. They can't do one at a time. So they have automated robots, and they have plates that run 96 samples at a time. We run one sample at a time. Guess what? We found a way to do it the way that the mainstream does it. It wasn't easy. It wasn't easy to bring pressure to it. We had to find a plastic that could withstand the pressures we go to. We go to 20, 30, 40,000 pounds per square inch. We found the plastic. We found the company that could mold the plastic into the consumable. We changed our instrument, and we're releasing it in 6 weeks. In the middle of June, at the American Society for Mass Spectrometry meeting in Baltimore, we're releasing what we label our game-changing technology, the new instrument that will actually run samples in a way that once they're run, you can put them immediately into someone else's machine downstream. We've never had that opportunity before. We think that's going to change this company.
Your website is?
PressureBiosciences.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, Richard Schumacher, Pressure BioSciences, Inc., publicly traded company, and the symbol is PBIO. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNN Live. We're at the Growth Capital Expo 2014 in Las Vegas. The pleasure is all mine having you.
It's mine. Thank you very much.